Mercedes-AMG is raising the bar in the performance coupe segment with the arrival of the stylish and dynamic new CLE 53 Coupe. Blending elements of the C-Class and E-Class into one sleek two-door package, the CLE 53 brings bold AMG style along with serious performance chops courtesy of its thoroughly massaged 3-liter inline-six turbocharged engine. Visually, the CLE 53 Coupe cuts a striking form with its elongated hood, fastback roofline, short rear deck, and wide muscular fenders. Distinctive AMG styling cues include the shark nose front end, jet wing-inspired front bumper, vertical slats in the outer air intakes, round twin tailpipes, and trunk lid spoiler. Available options such as the AMG Optics package with carbon bits, larger rear spoiler, and blacked-out trim amp up the aggression further. The stylish cockpit looks suitably special as well, with sports seats, ambient lighting, jet cockpit-style central display screen, and flat-bottom performance steering wheel. But style plays second fiddle once you experience what lives under the aluminum hood. An upgraded version of AMG's 3-liter inline-six now resides there, equipped with new turbochargers, cooling, internals, and most interestingly, an electric auxiliary compressor. This additional electric blower can spool up almost instantly to eliminate lag from the large single twin-scroll turbocharger. Total output rises substantially to 449 horsepower and 560 pound-feet of torque, the latter swelling to a massive 600 pound-feet for up to 12 seconds during overboost mode. The electric auxiliary compressor forms part of the CLE's 48-volt hybrid system, which also encompasses an upgraded integrated starter generator within the 9-speed AMG SpeedShift TCT transmission. This ISG adds a handy 23 horsepower and 205 pound-feet of transient torque assist, while also enabling functions like coasting, faster stop-start, and electrical power regeneration under braking. The transmission itself features shortened gearing for blistering acceleration, with AMG claiming a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 4.2 seconds. New tuning for the CLE's standard AMG Performance 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system makes it more rear-biased for added agility and oversteer capability too. An active rear-axle steering system counteracts understeer while further improving high-speed stability. Adaptive dampers and AMG Ride Control steel sport suspension deliver a supple ride on normal roads, yet sharpen handling at the limit. Larger brakes rein in all that forward motivation when needed. Inside the lavishly trimmed two-door cabin, passengers are treated to heavily bolstered Artico leather sport seats. A flat-bottom AMG performance steering wheel puts key controls at the driver's fingertips. And the latest Mercedes M-Bucks infotainment is present with AMG-specific screens and performance functions. Options include snazzier Napa leather upholstery with embossed AMG logos in the headrests and carbon trim. With sensuous styling wrapping a high-performance powertrain in a compact, driver-focused package, the 2024 Mercedes-AMG CLE 53 Coupe looks set to capture the hearts and checkbooks of driving enthusiasts wanting to make a bold yet practical statement. Pricing and final specifications will be announced closer to its on-sale date next year. But with this level of style, luxury, and capability on tap, we're confident the CLE 53 will more than hold its own versus rivals like the BMW M440i, Audi RS5, and Cadillac CT5V Blackwing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.